Good morning, it's Wayne DeWet, and I want to just run through quickly how important it is to prepare yourself and obviously the surface that you're going to be applying MagScapes liners. The biggest point I need to make is how important it is to get that perfect finish. There are different levels of finish that are required for different liners. You will have in your pack a hanging guide. Okay, this is the wall surface that we're going to be preparing today. As you can see, it's got lots of different imperfections. The order of process is simply spatch the wall down to hold a wide angle blade flat on the wall and spatch. The idea of doing the spatching is to just denib. You don't want all these little pimples. It's going to be sanded as well and filled and sized. Once all of that is done, you're ready to put up the mag liner.